Hello y'all on YouTube, this is Rob with Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today we have a very special unboxing, something that I bought for another giveaway that never happened. Supposed to be some fundraiser that I did, and I was going to give this away over there, but there was a school and they couldn't do anything with knives, so I have more stuff for you guys. So I want to unbox this, take a look at this, because I was very interested in the S.O.G multi-tool. All right, today I'm opening up the S.O.G PowerPint Multi-tool here with my Leatherman arc with my MagnaCut blade. So let's get into this, because if I end up shipping this knife, I'm not going to ship it like in a big giant box like this, right? I'm gonna ship it probably all right. Let me see if I can get in here. Okay, come on now. There we go. There we go. All right, so that's tool's little, I guess, thing there for people who steal stuff. So there you go. I don't think there's anything inside of there. There's not. So if I can get this off, I can. Okay, good, good. Throw that over there. All right, so this is the tool. Now, mind you, this is a premium USA-made fancy tool. The arc is fantastic. Highly recommended. If you're willing to spend the $250 on it, get it. It's absolutely fantastic. But this is a budget alternative, right? It is made in China. It's Chinese made, but it has a lot of little tools. This looked interesting. First of all, it's got some Torx bits, which means you can adjust it. Interesting little gears on there, which I think is cool. It's got a clip, which I think is also very cool, right? It's got a little part there. So let's see, what are the tools that it includes? All right, so I'm going to go first. First, it's needle nose pliers. So we already saw that, needle nose pliers. So there we go. 2, it's going to be soft wire cutter. So we got a soft wire cutter, which I'm going to assume that's the part right down here, soft wire cutter. Okay. All right. Then we've got a bolt gripper. Yeah. So that would be this right here. Right. Okay. That's interesting what they call it. A protractor. All right. So they got a protractor right there. Interesting. Okay. Okay. I wonder how that works. Interesting. I don't know how you measure that, but okay. Okay. You got the wire crimper that occurs right under here. Okay. Very good. Very good. Then you have scissors. Okay. So scissors are on here. Where would those be? That's the knife. Let's see. Okay. So let's open these up. So the first one you have is, oh, so I'm on the wrong side. All right, so the scissors are going to be right here, I think, right? Come on. All right, so here's the scissors. Okay. All right, so might need a little oil in there. It's a little tight there, so I'd probably put a little oil in there, okay? All right, so we got scissors here. What else do we have over here? Let's pull them all out. We've got a, what is this, a can opener. So we got scissors. We have, this is a serrated, okay, wait, hold on. Oh, okay. So there's a serrated blade right there. All right, fine. Then we have this thing, which is the, this is the can opener. So this is a can opener. All right, very good. All right, then we have this number 6, which is a Phillips screwdriver. All right, so that's a Phillips right there. Okay. Then we have number 5, which is a bottle opener. All right, so this is the bottle opener right there. Okay, very cool. And then these are the scissors, which aren't being very, okay, there we go. Now it's doing it. Okay, all right, there we go. All right, so that's the scissors. Okay, very cool. And then how does this close? Oh, okay, so it closes like that. Okay, so that's how it locks open. Okay, and that's when this works. So once you get it here, that locks in place, and that's when the scissors kicked in. Gotcha. Okay, so it does lock in place. This is a locking mechanism right back here. That's cool. All right, very, very cool. Very cool. All right, so let's look at the other side. The other side has, it has a file, 2-sided file. All right, very cool. Then it has a hook cutter. Okay, they call it sometimes a gut hook, but this also can be used to open plastic containers like this. So that's really cool. And then you have this little thing what looks like a Phillips screwdriver. So a jewelry driver. So I don't know, micro screwdriver, I guess that's what you're going to call it. And then you have an owl, which, you know, you poke holes with leather and stuff. I know people have done that. So that is interesting. Okay. And then you have a straight blade. Okay, a straight blade. Very cool. All right. And then on the back over here, there is a rule. Okay, so this is the ruler right there. All right, so millimeter ruler. Okay. And then on this side, it's the inch ruler. All right, so you can measure up to... Oh, okay, like this. All right, so from here to here, and then centimeter from here to here. I gotcha. All right, I'm on the same page. Hey, I'm learning. First time I've ever dealt with one of these SOG tools, okay? So what else we have? We did the wire crimpers. We did the scissors, right? What is this? The magnetic bit holder. Magnetic bit holder. What? Number 18, magnetic bit. Oh, right there. Look at that. Well, I have magnetic bits, so let's see. Does it work? Is there a reason why it doesn't fit in all the way? Let me try one of the little Weeha bits. Maybe they're different. Oh, okay. There you go. So it does lock in place. Oh, and then it gets really stuck in there. Oh, okay. Oh, I'm an idiot. Okay, so you can put it in there and then seal it on there. That's what that is. Okay, so I see there's a little divots there, a little whatever. Okay, so I can go in here and do that, and then that locks it in place. Gotcha. Okay, very cool. Very cool. That makes sense. I don't think there was any bits included, were there? I didn't see any bits on this thing. Were there any bits over here? Here? No, I don't see any bits anywhere. All right, so let me put my bit back. I don't think that there's any bits included. It doesn't say. Does it say there's any bits? No. At least I didn't see any. If there are on here and I'm missing it, you guys let me know. All right. So I can open one of these up. Let's open a knife. Now it's locked in place, right? And then to release the knife, it's locked there. To release it, I push this. That releases it. Okay. Not super sharp blade, but that's all right. Does it tell us what the steel type is on this thing? Straight edge. No, it doesn't. Oh, it's 5CR15 MOV. So, I mean, it's not fantastic steel. I guess it's like 420. So, there you go. Not a bad little one. It's got a clip and everything. It locks up. It screws in. You can put some oil in there for sure. I like the bit holder there. That's kind of cool. That was unexpected. I like the protractor. That's interesting. Now, that's supposed to be magnetic. I didn't see if it held it. Does it hold it? I guess it does. Look at that. It's magnetic. How about that? All right. Really cool. Interesting little tool, S.O.G. I mean, it's made in China, but not bad. Not bad at all. Feels pretty solid. I like the fact you can screw it tight, all that stuff. That to me is important. I do like that. Now, hold on. Is that, I think, ooh. Is that screwed in the back? No, it's crimped in. All right, so everything here can be tightened as far as these tools, but this little thing here, this is for sure on there. So, I mean, I don't know if that's a novelty just to kind of look cool or what. Don't really know. It says it's part of the protractor. So I don't know what that tells you. Does it give you measurements somewhere? Typically, a protractor will tell you what your degrees are. I don't see that. Oh, wait. I can't quite tell. All right, we're going to zoom in. Let's look at this right here. Okay, so maybe it's on there. I guess I got to figure out how that works. Okay. Somehow that's going to be a degree. Does it have it on the back side too? 30. Is that 30 degrees? 105? I can't quite tell. It's really small, and I need to zoom in on it. But okay, interesting. Very cool. All right. Interesting little tool. Interesting little tool. It'll be a fun giveaway for sure. So definitely worth, definitely worth checking out, I think. Right? Definitely worth checking out. So I'm going to take all these out. I'm going to open up the scissors. I'm going to get all these out so you can see them. Down here, okay. And then for this one over here, we will just take all these out over here as well. We'll do the blade locked out. We'll do this right here, like this. I can go down. I just don't want it to hit one another. All right, so there we go. Interesting little tool. All right. Let me know what you think about this one. That's kind of cool. It's I'm not going to handle it. I'm going to give it away, but I don't know. I like my Leatherman, and this is one of those small ones that I don't do destruction test on, but handling it looks pretty cool. Looks like it has potential. It doesn't feel solid as the brand new Leatherman, the bolster that I got for another giveaway. Or as I don't know if it's a giveaway. This might be a gift to one of my kids, but this one feels a little more solid. This is assembled in USA with USA and foreign parts, but this it's simpler, has less tools, but it feels more solid. Especially than the rebar. I had a rebar. Yeah, it's okay. This one feels pretty good, so I like this one a lot. This one's pretty good too. Pretty cool too. It's got a lot of tools, a lot of things that it could be very helpful for you. So definitely worth checking out. So zoom in on that if you want. Take a little gander at that and see what you think. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and try to get a picture for the video. Let's see if we can do something like that. Oh, don't grab the blade. Careful. Don't cut yourself, Robert. Don't be dumb. There we go. Just trying to get a nice picture for a thumbnail, right? So we can say, here we go. All right. This is the S.O.G PowerPint. The S.O.G PowerPint. All right. You guys let me know what you think about this one here. Okay. Cool. I think it's cool. Definitely has some potential. Certainly has some potential, I think, for sure. So, and I'm going to go ahead and put this over here so you guys can see it together. We'll just put it right there. How about that? All right. Let me know what you think about this one. Hey, if you found this content fun, interesting, worthwhile, or informative, would you please consider hitting the like button down below? And if you've already hit that like button, would you please consider hitting the subscribe button? Subscribing and liking the video really helps out the channel, allows me to produce more content, do more things, ultimately do more things for you guys. So thank you to everyone who watches the videos, who enjoys the content, who comments, who's part of the live stream, who's just part of the whole community. I appreciate you very, very much. Thank you. If you haven't already, maybe hit that notification button down below so you can be notified of future content like this video and other content. And a big shout out to all my channel members. I appreciate you guys. I do this part-time, so you guys are like my workout buddies. You encourage me to keep doing this every day. Some days, yeah, I just want to take a break, but man, channel members, you really encourage me. And I want to say thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You allow me to do two things. You allow me once to try things, do things way sooner than I thought I would be able to do in this channel. Because you help me pay for shipping, you help me, with a lot of those things. You allow me to keep doing the weekly giveaways. So thank you. I appreciate you guys. The other thing is you also, like I said, you encourage me. So that's two cool things. So I want to do two cool things for you guys as well. First, I do a once a month members exclusive giveaway, a little bit better than the Budget Banger giveaway each week. So something special just for you guys every month. The other thing is also brand new channel members or anybody who's a current channel member who's never gotten a channel sticker. Whether you've been a channel member all along or became a channel member again and were one before, as long as you're a member right now, you've never gotten a channel sticker, email me with your name and address. I'd love to mail you a channel sticker and a thank you note. My small way to say thank you. Thank you for everything. I appreciate every one of you guys out there. Thank you for watching the videos, for the content, for supporting the channel. If you haven't already, check me out over on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.